K-pop groups that matured their sound. NMIXX matured their sound a lot from OO to Heavy Serenade. They are completely different sounds, but it suits them very well. Twice is another group where you can tell that their sound matured a lot. Their sound matured in a way that felt natural and matched their group identity. aespa also matured their sound a lot over the past 5 years. They matured their sound in a way where it still has their signature aespa sound, but with more maturity.